Utaanza tu.
The two government analysts inform me they are unavailable.
So 16, this one.
Dora. So I call upon the nation to make sure all murder cases are given first priority, especially when they are to ladies. Yes. Because the justice is being done by men, injustice by men to the ladies because the men are getting away free with it. And that has to stop.
And us coming here today, we feel that the state has also failed us in supporting families of survivors and victims of femicide. If you see the case of Christine, and seeing someone who purports to be a man of God, where fake religious leader coming to take advantage of our women and our girls in the name of God, we call it out. And this one is to Kenyans. Please, let's also learn to hold accountable religious leaders or people who purport to be pastor or pastors and take advantage or commit violation.
Kila siku sisi ni statistics. Each and every time mwanamke ameuliwa, but nothing is being done. Until when we are going to be safe? Until when wataona this is a calamity, because already it's a calamity. Kama mtu anapewa bond ya 200,000 ana smile kwa koti saa ile si tunamuona, tuna imagine ile uchungu yote tuko nayo. Until when mimi naambia His Excellency tafadhali aweze kutusomea report ya end femicide yenye ilipeana kwa task force, because ilitembea Kenya mzima na wanawake wenyewe kutoka mashinani and everywhere walikuja wakasema vitu wanaweza taka ikue kwa hiyo ripoti.